Hi, I'm Nate Martin, and we're going to go over how to buy XRP in today's 2-minute tutorial. XRP is the cryptocurrency that powers the Ripple network. Buying XRP can be broken down into 3 simple steps. Get a wallet, locate your XRP address, and find an exchange that sells XRP. Depending on the amount of XRP you're planning to buy, you can choose to store it on either a hardware wallet or a software wallet. If you're buying a small amount of XRP, then a free software wallet that can be downloaded to your mobile phone or computer will do. Edge is a great software wallet that is easy to use for beginners. If, on the other hand, you're planning on accumulating larger amounts, it's safer to store it on a dedicated device known as a hardware wallet. Our recommendation for a hardware wallet would be either the Ledger Nano X or the Trezor Model T. Both are reputable wallets which can store multiple cryptocurrencies alongside XRP. One thing to keep in mind is that every XRP wallet requires a non-refundable 20 XRP deposit to prevent the creation of fake accounts. Once you've set up your wallet, make sure to find your XRP address, which will be used whenever you want to send XRP to your wallet. Each XRP address is a string of 25 to 35 characters that starts with an R. Finally, it's time to find a place to buy XRP. Recently, it's been getting harder to find exchanges that list XRP due to some regulatory issues. However, CEX and Binance are 2 exchanges that will allow you to buy XRP with a variety of payment methods. Both exchanges support many countries worldwide, have a good reputation, and supply an instant buying option which is beginner-friendly. If you're an advanced trader, you can use the exchange's trading platform and save a little more on fees. While exchanges will store coins for you on their site, you'll want to make sure to withdraw them to your own wallet by sending them to the XRP address we talked about before. This way, you keep full control of your coins. That's today's 2-minute tutorial. For a complete list of recommended wallets and exchanges and a more in-depth step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the links in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.